Hello and welcome to this week's KitPlus TV news, supported by OpenGear, the industry standard platform of choice for modular signal processing.
And this week we start with news of the first KitPlus show of 2023, which is taking place next week on the 22nd of June, right in the heart of Media City in Salford.
Yeah, and as you'd expect, we've got many industry exhibitors showing the latest kit and a great lineup of industry speakers for the main stage throughout the day. It's free to attend, and all the info you need is at kitplus.com/show.
Yep, do check it out. We will be recording the sessions on the main stage, but that doesn't replace the excellent networking opportunities a real face-to-face event, aside, of course, spending quality time with manufacturers at the show.
So first up in the news this week is Dejero, who have recently provided critical connectivity to British Home Shopping Network TJC when the TV facility's existing fibre lines became unexpectedly inaccessible. Not only did the Dejero Ngo mobile transmitter provide resilient wireless connectivity in place of their in-house encoders to push live video to YouTube, the low latency solution also ensured the falling price auction style home shopping channel could provide dynamic graphics and pricing updates from an off-site location, uploaded and changed live on air by TJC producers.
Nixer Pro Audio has expanded its range of AoIP monitors to assist broadcasters on their IP journeys, introducing a compact version of its popular RL64 AoIP monitoring and mixing engine, which will help broadcasters operating in outside broadcast and other live production environments to move to IP infrastructures.
PlayBox Neo has announced the completion of a newsroom production and news playout system for TV5HD Thailand. The project was motivated by the channel's desire to replace legacy third-party equipment with a solution offering greater reliability, creative flexibility, and operational efficiency.
NUGEN Audio has announced the full availability of its Aligner plugin, complete with updated features and functionality. Initially offered as a stealth product for NUGEN subscribers who responded to the company's annual survey, Aligner is now available with an improved algorithm from the original release and is designed to enhance the daily workflow of audio engineers.
Radio France has selected Dalet Flex Media Logistics solution for their digital media management projects. The new software platform will enable the management, organisation and storage of all types of digital media, such as audio, video, images, and the associated metadata files. The system will also include workflow acquisition, processing, editing and contribution features for their channels and digital platforms, and archiving of the audio and video assets.
LYNX Technik has announced the addition of a new HDMI to SDI converter to its popular yellowbrick line. The CHD1402 is designed for any AV broadcast production or post application that requires signal conversion from up to 4K HDMI to up to 12G SDI. It's the successor of the popular CHD1802, which supports up to 3G SDI.
Custom Consoles has completed a production control desk and monitor display support system for one of Britain's longest established free-to-air television and radio broadcasters. A 13-bay wide unit, the front section is augmented on its left side by a 3.5 metre, 90-degree, 5-bay spur, accommodating a production control switcher. The desk incorporates floor to worktop height equipment storage and 3U high worktop rear equipment pods. 24-inch computer monitor displays are mounted along the rear of the main desk section, plus additional displays on the spur.
A lot of detail there.
There's a lot of detail,
doesn't it? It does look impressive.
That's cool.
PHABRIX has announced that NEP Group have made a significant investment in its top-of-the-range RX2000 rasterizers to support its broadcast of professional football in the United States. US-based NEP purchased more than 30 of the advanced analyzer generator units, which were supplied in 3 batches and are to be used for testing signals from broadcast trucks and other on-site systems at football stadiums.
BBC Studioworks has been commended as the highest ranking studio facilitator in the BAFTA Sustainability Scheme. Based on the 2022 submission data, BBC Studioworks topped the scorecard for its television centre studio with an overall sustainability rating of 83%, compared to an average of 59% across the 12 participating studios.
Mo-Sys Engineering has updated its G30 heavy-duty gyro-stabilized remote head. Designed to provide silent operation and capture beautifully smooth cinematic shots, the G30 offers precision movement and superior image stabilization, together with simple tech-less operation in a cost-effective package. The new G30 is a radical rethink of the traditional heavy-duty stabilised remote head with the rigid 45-degree frame geometry supporting camera payloads of up to 30 kilos and has been engineered to eliminate the risk of gimbal lock.
Anton Bauer has announced the launch of Salty Dog, a sodium-based 9 kilowatt-hour mobile power source designed specifically for motion picture and television production. The power source delivers consistent and reliable energy and addresses the pressing issue of carbon emissions associated with traditional fossil fuel or lithium generators. It signifies a major milestone in sustainable power for the media and entertainment industry, of course, positioning Anton Bauer as a leading provider as well of clean energy solutions.
ATP Media and Gravity Media have signed a new long-term partnership to deliver the global coverage of over 60 of the ATP Tour's world-renowned tennis tournaments. This new deal marks the beginning of a new and exciting next chapter in this partnership, working together to deliver a new approach to the production of tennis across the world. As part of this new approach, they have worked closely on the specification of the galleries and working areas for ATP Media Studios, which will be based at Gravity Media's brand new production centre in London White City, which opened earlier this year.
Disguise has announced the immediate availability of Invisible, a complete technology bundle for real-time markerless motion capture developed in partnership with Move.ai. By removing the need for markers, wearable suits and long calibration setups, Invisible allows anyone to easily mirror their movements onto a character rig within Disguise's designer software in real time.
The new HXII-DPL Powerline Device from Clear-Com has been announced. It's an IP interface that delivers power and digital audio to HelixNet belt packs, speaker and remote stations from an Arcadia central station system or the legacy HMS4X main station. Arcadia-based systems open a world of digital audio connectivity for HelixNet users, including IP transceivers, third-party devices such as Dante, and support for the full range of free-speak digital wireless systems.
And finally, in the news this week, Pliant Technologies has announced the release of a new Clear-Com firmware and software update. It's version 1.14. The latest update includes several enhancements to Clear-Com's already long list of capabilities, such as the support of 2 additional hardware devices, convenient new features, and several key improvements to CrewWare control software to strengthen the user experience.
That's it for the news this week. As we mentioned earlier, do check out KitPlus.com/show to see all the exhibitors and speakers we have lined up for the show next week in Media City. That's Thursday, the 22nd of June. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.